it's Mrs. Sears,
And this is Norton.
and we're going to show you how to do the October craft for this month, which is a tea light witch that you can hang wherever in your home.
All right, so you're going to start off in your bag. You will be given the tea light, a piece of black felt, which will become the hat, 2 googly eyes that you're going to glue on to be the googly eyes, and a rhinestone, which you're going to glue on to be the witch's wart.
Okay, so the first step is to outline and cut a witch hat from your felt sheet. You can use a template or cut freehand. You're then going to grab your yellow felt and cut out a long strip and a square for the hat and set it aside.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is cut the hat out. You'll see that the piece of fabric is about the right size. I suggest just cut a corner, you'll have equal sides. So you'll see I stopped right about there to make the triangle hat at the top. Then I'm going to come over sideways and cut to the ends, which would make the hat go across, kind of like that. I'm going to trim mine down because I think this is too wide. It's always helpful when you fold it. That way you're sure that each side is equal. See how I'm going to cut the little square in the middle right there for like the belt buckle? See how I folded that? Be really careful that you don't cut it out. And I'm going all the way to the end. All the way to the end and then over again. You can always trim it down later. Ooh, what do you think?
Okay, the second step is to glue your googly eyes on each side of the faux flame. And this right here is the faux flame. So Mrs. Norton is going to put her googly eyes on each side using the tacky glue provided.
There you go.
Okay, third step is to glue the base of your hat just above the googly eyes and glue the yellow strip and yellow square to the base of the hat. All right, Mrs. Norton has glued her hat and now she's working on gluing her hat to the witch's head. Fourth step is to add your wart, your rhinestone, off to the side below the faux flame. Fifth step is to take the middle of your ribbon and glue it to the back of the tea light. So you're going to take the very middle of the ribbon and then tie the ends at the top to make a bow. Now remember, when you're doing this, you're going to want to let it dry, I would say for about an hour or even more before you try to hang it. Okay, so now Mrs. Norton's going to take those 2 end pieces and tie them at the top to make her tea light ornament. Have a